Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as you can see, I have applied the sealant to seal my foundation wall, or you can say basement, so that water does not get into, because you don't want any flooding over there. Recently something really bad happened in Ottawa. So this is good and it helps. Like, I did not have any flooding, but you should always be ready for the worst. So what I'm gonna do now, something that really helps. See, why do you see those cracks? You know, that's because of the weather in Canada, because concrete expands, contracts with temperature, and if you have sealants like this, there could be some gaps created, you see. Okay, so what you can do, first clean the area, that wherever you see the gaps, just clean the area. Okay, and use a rubberized sealant. Like, I have brought this flex seal and it's made of rubber. It's a spray, so definitely get some protection, like cover your eyes for sure and put gloves and all too. And it's just a spray. Okay, yeah. So now it should be okay. Okay, anywhere I'm gonna see more cracks also. If there are any more cracks with the sealant and wall, I'm gonna do this. So in this way you can protect it better. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.